Don't know, you know. I'm a lady on the first lady of reggae dancehall, and me I bring to you and you and you. What me say? Jamaica from the outside. And Jamaica from the outside. And I'm me proud to be a Jamaican. But me say all of we barriers, them are broke down. All of we barriers, them are broke down. We are one united Jamaican. It again, it a spice up the food.
Hello guys, welcome. Today Miss Barb is going to tell us a little about the Noni plant. Hi Miss Barb.
Hello baby love, how are you doing?
Doing great.
I think we're in the backyard of Jamaica.
This is very popular in Jamaica and it grows wild.
And the juice is popular here, but it is so expensive.
Yes.
So this is what you call the Noni. The Noni start from your brains right down to your toe. And you know when something connected to the brains.
Yes.
So this is the fruit, what the Noni look like. Plenty people drinking the juice, but they never see the tree before. So this is the tree and this is the Noni. And please, I believe you can read more than I do.
So
read up on the Noni and see
benefits.
The content and the benefit and what it have to do to our body.
I know you use it a lot on the farm, Miss Barb.
Yes.
Tell us some of the benefits that you use it for.
Sometimes telling them the benefits and then read it, I think they will go good with it. Because some would wonder why she knows so much, but it's a God-given.
Yes.
It is a grace of God.
Yes.
All right. I use, oh Lord, see a ripe one here?
How do you know when it's ripe?
Two different color.
Oh, it almost looks translucent.
Yes. And this one, you can feel it that it's ripe. Like the mango
Yes.
green and the mango ripe.
So you eat it just like that?
No. You can put this. I have Noni over there for 3 years now. You have to make it rotten.
Oh.
And then there's a juice from it. And you get that juice natural. You take like a spoonful every morning, every night before you go to your bed. It's good for gout, G-O-U-T. And it's good for circulation.
Yes.
It's good for bad toenails. That's why it starts from your brain.
Okay.
It's good for so much things. But when you buy a bottle from me, you have to drink out that juice and it stay there and make it own juice. Don't use no water. I use nothing hot to it. I just put these in the bottle and it must be a glass bottle.
Okay.
Don't use plastic.
No plastic. Okay, so you sell the juice.
I do sell the juice.
So if persons want the Noni juice, they can
order
reach
from
out
me
to
and
you.
they get it.
Is the leaf of the Noni beneficial?
Yes, because if you have knee pain, just slap it to the knee and strap it right there.
Okay.
Sleep with it overnight. You're going out, if you wear a long skirt or your pants, it there, nobody know that it's under there. It is a good pain relief.
Okay. Okay, you think it would help like arthritis for persons
so
who
much.
have arthritis?
It go to gout and it can remove. It got so much vibrant. I don't want to use words that I cannot obtain. What I cannot, but I can tell you how potent. And this ripe one, you can use a piece of it when you're making your smoothie.
Smoothie. Okay, let's take a look one more time at the ripe one.
This is ripe.
Okay.
And this is green.
Okay.
Yes, I just picked the ripe one straight from the tree. This one I'm going to wash and go straight to the bottle.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. I see a lot of these down in Jamaica. They just grow
wild.
Yes.
And nobody never know the use of it.
No.
Because we call it duppy soursop, so we run from it.
All right, guys, that's it for your Noni lesson.
Ciao.